You're watching DIY Nate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. All right, folks, on this quick episode of DIY Nate, I'm going to show you a little tip that I picked up recently because of this whole YouTube TV, not having ESPN, and having to go buy other subscriptions or deal with having blackouts in your area. Found a pretty cool solution with the Sling app that allows you to have a day pass where you can just watch TV for the one day and just pay for it one time. So we'll walk through some of the screenshots. I'll show you what it looks like, but it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. All you got to do is create a Sling account, and on that, you'll have the opportunity to go in and add a one-day pass. For me, because I like sports, it's the orange pass, and there's a sports extra for another $1, so it's about $4.99 plus $1. Of course, at the time of the making this video, that's what the price was, $5.99 for a day to watch the games that I want to watch College Game Day in the morning. You might decide to do this for NFL or some other things that you may be watching. And so I thought I would share that and mention it because it's been pretty helpful for us for the last couple weeks. And it's starting to make me reconsider. We'll turn on YouTube TV during the course of the fall or some other app that's a whole month-long subscription. And this, to me, is a much cheaper way of doing it, and only the days when I'm going to be available at home to watch TV. So just a thought for those of you who are looking to save a buck. If you're looking to cut the cord, this can be a way to get access temporarily. I know several people who appreciate this because they're in the same boat as me. They want to see their college football team or their NFL team play on the day, but outside of that, they're really not watching TV other than that. The process for this is pretty straightforward. You're going to create an account in Sling, and once you've got that account, whether you do it on the TV, on your phone, or on your computer, you get your account set up, and you will go ahead and select the Sports Extra if you want that add-on for another $1. You may want to search the program and find out exactly what program and what package it's on to make sure before you buy it that it's going to be on there. But once you do that, you pull it up on your TV. You'll probably have to download the Sling app and make sure you've got that. Once you've got the Sling app downloaded, you can log into your TV and be able to watch it. And 24 hours later, it'll just turn off. And if you want to reactivate it a week, a month later, you'll have that option as well. So very happy with it. Pretty happy with the folks at Sling on coming up with this solution. I imagine some others might start coming up with this. Certainly for me as a football fan who only needs to watch TV a couple days a month, and my wife the same way, we really only care about watching those big games. That's very helpful for us, and it'll help us save a lot of money and still be able to enjoy the comfort of our own home watching TV. You can also watch these apps remote on the go. You can pull it up on your phone or wherever you're at. So another great feature on it, if you're camping or somewhere else, you can have access to your TV on your smartphone just like most other streaming services. You've been watching DIY Nate. Hope this video helps you out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Okay, so we're going to open up our Sling website. And if you're just coming into this for the first time, you'll probably need to create a login account. At the same time, over here, you can see live TV starts at $4.99. That's where they talk about the day pass. You've got a weekend pass, a week pass, or monthly. So you can certainly look at your options. What I've been using is this one-day pass for $4.99 plus $1 for the sports pass. We'll just take a quick look here at the day pass. So if you haven't created your account, you'll have to do that before you can start viewing stuff. We're actually going to sign in. Welcome back. You can restart your pass. Today's total is only $4.99 if you just go with the base orange, or you can edit your subscription a little bit and add that sports package that I was talking about. That's the day pass. You can see different options. And so over here, we're going to edit our subscription, and you're going to notice on this, there's a base package, add-on services. Down here, there's the sports extra, so we're going to add that. And once you've got that, you're good to go. Now we should be able to go back to my account. We've got our details here. So if you click subscribe, it's not signing you up yet, but it's got that extra sports extra on here. Now I've got $5.99 with today's total. We can resubscribe for the day, and we'll get it till 6:31 tomorrow. So that works pretty well. Make sure your payment information is up to date. So once you've gotten your information filled in, you'll be able to click resubscribe. That should activate everything. And there we go. Congratulations, you're in. Subscription will end on 11/16. Send confirmation there. We can click watch now. As you can see, we're back to our TV screen and we're good to go. That's all you got to do. And now you'll notice, you'll see up here, you can see your different accounts. Sports Center is now available, and a bunch of other things. So exciting for $6 a day. Not a bad way to get your day started. So we're now good to go. And that's how you get Sling. If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.